Okay, introducing Chef Pepine and Pepine.
What's up, guys? Welcome to our cooking show.
We're cooking today.
So for our first dish, we're going to be cooking elotes. So we're
We
gonna
got the
get.
sides of old mango and old apple.
So I'm gonna get our first one. Put it right on the completely small size plate.
Doesn't matter.
And then second, for the second thing, yeah, write that down. We're going to be sticking. We're going to be giving it legs. You know, yeah. And so like now it's got legs. So gosh.
Grab a hold of it, it might
Okay.
run.
So now it's got legs, and we're gonna be seasoning it. Oh gosh, what is this?
Don't know.
Smells kind of good. Gonna put some of this stuff on it.
And if you guys are on a diet, this great superfood,
I
it
recommend
helps you when you're on a diet.
It does.
Power Beach helps your blood circulation. And if you are in any trouble or any need of a healthy life, please go to powerbeats.com at Jose Diaz.
Okay, anyways, we're gonna be cooking up our first dish right now, you know.
Miriam,
As you can tell, it's
Suffering.
a male. So, like, we're gonna put this.
wait, just so you know, it's a male.
Stop! We're gonna be putting this puppy into here.
Wait, he doesn't quite fit. He doesn't quite fit.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, we squirted everywhere.
He's so squirted.
Okay, so we are going. Ooh, this stuff looks cool.
Oh, boy, what's in there?
We're gonna put some of that.
What is that?
It smells like burnt fireworks.
Guys, garlic.
Okay.
Garlic smells good.
It's garlic. Okay. So we're gonna be. We also need some water in here.
I got you, boy.
We need some water. Hey,
Hey,
we need some water. Hurry up.
fool.
So we're gonna be bathing it in marinating it in a, pretty good sauce, whatever that
Hey,
is.
God, we got mama.
Oh my gosh.
It gives you a little color.
Okay, we're
It's
going.
a rare seasoning.
We're gonna let that cook for a second while we tell you about Jeff and Tim. Okay,
Okay,
so
so-
say get our straws for real quick. Okay, so we're gonna be we'll leave these for next episode. Stay
Yeah,
tuned.
next episode.
Okay, so we're gonna be taking this puppy out of the pot. He's a little hot.
He's a big boy.
That pun not intended. Ladies, if you're looking for a male, he's right here.
Hit him at 530.
Hit him up.
Who knows the rest?
530-609-609-609-609.
Got a skin.
Okay, so like here's our first dish. We're going to be taking it to our judge, Sylvia Diaz.
Welcome to our
Okay.
show, Sylvia.
Oh, look, she loves it.
How do you like it, Sylvia?
Good.
Thank you.
It's nice and tummy tickling.
Yeah, it tickles the tummy.